climate change. Humans are crazy. In just a couple generations already changed the climate and destroy everything. Like I'm told you last November, because like magnificent volume of water hit new record here, 20 million liters per second. It's destroyed many structures. We not try to fix it, but we just try to leave it behind and just try to go different planet already. I want to keep this for the next generations. Just keep it like this forever. Because this is really beautiful, really. You have to look at yourself.